Hello there, students. Good day to everyone. Welcome again to our General Mathematics. We are now on Lesson 3.1, Operation of Functions, specifically addition and subtraction. All right, this is Mrs. Clear P. Hamero, your subject teacher. The goal for today's session, we have here at the end of the lesson, you will be able to perform the operation of functions, specifically addition and subtraction muna. Alright? For the lesson 3.2, doon na po yung multiplication and division. So for the meantime, for this video, our focus is on how to perform addition and subtraction of functions. So, a short review muna from our previous lesson 2, we have there the evaluating function. To evaluate a function, you will just have to replace or substitute a particular replacement value. So, for example, you have there f of x is equal to x squared plus 2. This is your function, for example, and then you are given a replacement value of 3. So you have to substitute all the x here with positive 3. So for instance, f of 3 is equal to 3 squared plus 2. Then perform the operation. 3 squared, that means 3 times 3. So that would give us 9. Bring down plus 2. So the final answer is f of 3 is equal to 9 plus 2, that is 11. So that means you have to copy the given and then replace with the replacement value and then perform operations and then you got your answer. That is just how to evaluate a function. And also you can rewatch the video if you want to relearn or recall evaluating functions. All right, let's now proceed to our focus for this lesson 3.1, starting with the definition. So we have here, let f and g be any two functions. So, meaning si f and si g, yung functions na magbibigay sa atin lahat ng given. For instance, if we give the definition for sum and difference, when we focus about sum, that means the result of addition. And when we focus on difference, that is the result of subtraction. All right, so when we define sum and difference of a function, that means, okay, f plus g of x. So you read it like f plus g of x for this. All right, again, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Ibig sabihin, mamaya magbibigay ako ng example na si f of x, meron siyang function at saka si g of x, another function. And the same manner with the subtraction or the difference. F minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. That's it. Now, let's proceed to our illustrative examples. First, if we are given two functions, first, f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, and another function, g of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. Find what? We have here, find f plus g of x. Ibig sabihin, find the sum of the function. Sum, that means addition. First thing to do is you have to define the sum of the function. So that means f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Then we have to substitute the functions. First is we have to substitute f of x, ito, f of x, with 3x minus 2. So we have here, when we substitute, always remember, do not forget the parentheses. So we have 3x minus 2 here with parentheses. Plus, okay, bring down plus. Then we're going to replace the g of x here with the function this given above. We have x squared plus 2x minus 3. And then we have to add. In order to add this, we have to remember that we can only combine like terms. When we say like terms, kung pareho lang po sila with the same variable. For instance, here, para po mas mabilis yung pag-add natin, I am going to remove first the parentheses. So, here wala pong value dito. Therefore, we can just bring down 3x minus 2. So, we have to bring down 3x minus 2. Plus, okay, distribute the positive sign. So, positive times x squared, that would give us positive x squared. So, plus x squared. Then, positive plus or times positive then, therefore positive pa din, 2x. So, bring down 2x. Next, positive times negative. Therefore, negative siya. Bring down 3. Alright? Now, we can perform now the operations. Okay, lagyan muna natin ng equal sign. Huwag talagang kalimutan lagyan ng equal sign. Equal, because ibig sabihin yan, under pa din yan ng f of x, f plus g of x. Bring down first the highest degree. Titignan natin lahat ng may variable na x. So, ito siya, ito, at saka ito. Then, tingnan nyo muna kung sino yung may pinakamataas na degree. Now, since the x squared lang ay nag-iisa, x squared yung nauuna dito. Kasi si 2x at saka 3x, 1 lang po yung degree nila. Degree meaning exponent. Exponent. Alright, therefore, bring down first the x squared. Positive siya, therefore, positive x squared. Next is yung may variable na x. Kasi yung dalawa dito, wala po silang variable. So, we have to combine first this and this. Positive and positive. So, 3x plus 2x, that would give us plus 5x. And we have here, ang natira na lang is negative 2 plus negative 3. Kapag po mag-a-add tayo ng the same sign, just add the number and copy the sign. So, add the number, 3 plus 2, that is 5. Then, copy the number, negative. Kasi same sila ng number. I mean, sign. So, that would give us negative 5. So, the final answer now is x squared plus 5x minus 5. So, we have here x squared plus 5x minus 5. But, the answer of the PowerPoint presentation is direct siya sa answer. So, I've shown you the step-by-step solution here. This one. So, the answer is this. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. What about if difference yung hinahanap? Or this one, given ito, what if daw difference? Or what is the result when we are going to subtract the two functions. First is we have to define the difference or the result of subtraction. All right? We have here f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Now, we have to substitute from the two given functions. The same yan siya kanina na given, but different po yung hinahanap. This time is for subtraction. Now, we have here, substitute muna. Okay? We have here, for f of x, that would give us, substitute lang, 3x minus 2, copy minus, then substitute g of x, that would give us x squared plus 2x minus 3. Then, if we're going to subtract, first, you need to remove first the parentheses. We have here, bring down, kasi wala pong numbers dito na makapag-multiply. Therefore, we have to bring down 3x minus 2. And then, we have to perform the operation here. Bring down minus, and then multiply it here. Minus or negative times positive x squared, that is negative x squared. All right. Next, what about negative times positive? Negative times positive, that would give us negative, bring down to x. Next, negative times negative, that would give us positive. Then, bring down 3. So, you have there already, na-remove na natin yung parentheses by doing a distribution also with here, because that's the rule of subtraction. All right, next, we will proceed to combine like terms. Again, combine like terms. Una, ano yung may pinakamataas na degree? Si negative x squared lang. Therefore, bring down negative x squared. Next, may dalawang same na variable, si positive 3x and si negative 2x. Combine, positive 3x plus negative 2x plus negative 2x. Kapag po you add the numbers with unlike signs or magkaiba na sign, you have to proceed with subtraction. So, you have to subtract the number and copy the biggest number. So, positive, malaki. Therefore, positive dapat yung sagot mo. 3 minus 2, that means 1. Therefore, x lang po ang natira. Positive x. Therefore, plus x. Then, negative 2 plus 3. So, negative 2 plus 3. Again, add the number, then copy the biggest sign. Mas malaki si 3, positive, therefore, ang sagot is positive 1. Final answer, negative x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, let's check. Negative x squared plus x plus 1. Alright, so, tanggalin natin. Okay, so, yun yung sagot kanina. Okay. The same answer. So, the final answer is negative x squared plus x plus 1. Kanina, pinakita ko lang kung paano. Kasi kapag PowerPoint na agad, hindi ko na naipapakita kung paano ba nakuha yung mga ganito or ganyan. Alright? Now, the final answer is negative x squared plus x plus 1. What about if meron na siyang kasaling evaluating? Or for example, hindi na siya x dito, but meron na siyang replacement. Yung x na instead of x ay gawin na siyang 2. Ano po ang solution natin dyan? Same process. Of course, addition siya. Kasi nga, addition ito. Addition siya. Alright, therefore, ang mangyayari is f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Definition of sum or the result of addition pa din. Same manner, you have to substitute f of x with 3x minus 2 kasi yun yung given dito. And then for the g of x also with x squared plus 2x minus 3. Galing din siya dito. Now, next thing to do is you have to combine like terms. Ang final answer nito kanina is this one. Yung first example natin when we combine like terms like, okay, ulitin natin. We have to, okay, bring down 3x minus 2. Tatanggalin lang yung parentheses. Then multiply positive, positive, plus x squared ang sagot. Positive, positive, plus 2x. Positive, negative, negative 3. Therefore, combine like terms, ang final answer niyan kasi yung pinakamalaki is x squared kasi yun siya ang may malaking degree. That would be yung nauuna. Next, positive 3x plus positive 2x, positive 5x. Then, negative 2 plus negative 3, that is negative 5. Okay? So, ito yung sagot kanina. So, lalagay lang natin dyan sa baba. X squared plus 5x plus ay minus 5. Yun na yung sagot. Now, lahat daw ng x, okay? X, papalitan ng 2. So, papalitan na natin ng 2. That would mean, pwede lang siyang agad na dito tayo magpapalit ng x. So, f plus g, ang x dito, pinalitan natin ng 2. Therefore, ito na yung ginamit. X squared, instead na x squared, ang x pinalitan ng 2. Ito siya. Then, square. Square. Plus, bring down plus, 5, 5. Then, yung x pinalitan natin ng 2. Ito siya. Alright? Now, next is bring down, ito, minus 5 here. Now, tapos na tayong nag-replace. Therefore, we have to perform operations. 2x, 2 squared, that would give us 4. Bring down, 5 times 2, that means plus 10. Kasi 5 times 2 is 10. Bring down, negative 5. Ito siya. Then, we have to simplify further our answer. 4 plus 10, 14, minus 5, that would give us the answer of 9. Therefore, the final answer for this is 9. Alright? Next, what about this? What about subtraction na naman? Again, first thing to do is you have to copy the definition. Ito, given lang ito. Define nyo lang ang subtraction or the difference. Alright? Then, substitute yung f of x na 3x minus 2. Dito yan galing. Then, for bring down minus, then substitute na naman yung g of x with here. Dito. From the given. Then, you will have it here. Ito. Then, next, of course, you have to remove the parentheses. Review ko lang yung kanina na explanation para makita niyo saan galing. 3x minus 2, bring down minus times, negative times positive, that is x squared, negative x squared. Negative times positive 2x, negative 2x. Negative times negative, that is positive 3. So, the final answer is, bring down yung negative x squared. Dito, kasi siya ang may pinakataas na degree. And then, combine 3x with negative 2x would give you plus x na lang. And then, negative 2 plus 3, that would give you positive 1. So, therefore, kapag negative 3 na ang ilalagay natin dyan, so f minus g of negative 3 is equal to, ito yung papalitan natin. Yung negative, bring down. Tapos, yung x dito, naka-parentheses kasi negative 3 siya. So, palitan natin ng negative 3. Then, squared. Plus, yung x na naman dito, papalitan natin ng negative 3. Naka-parentheses pa din. Then, bring down plus 1. Simplify further. We have here, yung negative 3 muna, square natin. Negative 3 squared, that would give you 9. Bring down mo lang yung negative, that's why negative 9 siya. And then, positive times negative 3, that would give you negative 3. Bring down plus 1. Simplify further your answer. Of course, you will have negative 9 plus negative 3, that would give you negative 12. Plus 1, negative 11. So we'll have negative 11 as your final answer. All right? So, we have also a lot of examples in the following by solving also here. What about if we have this example? Let f of x is equal to 4x cubed minus 2x plus 9, and the g of x is equal to x cubed plus 8. Find, okay, we have apat. Sum, difference, sum but with the replacement value, difference but with replacement value. We will start with letter A first. Okay, letter A. This one. Plus, okay, f plus g of x. So, ibig sabihin, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. And then, we have to substitute the functions. For f of x, we have here, ito, 4x cubed minus 2x. Okay, huwag kalimutan yung parentheses. Plus 9. Close parentheses. Bring down this one. Okay, yung plus dito. Okay. Then, what is, substitute the g of x. Ito, here. We have, open parentheses, x cubed plus 8, then close parentheses. And then, we have to, if we're going to check, wala naman pong negative dito sa second part. Therefore, as is lang lahat. So, ibig sabihin, tatanggalin lang natin yung ating parentheses. So, that would become 4x cubed minus 2x plus 9 plus, okay, positive, positive, positive pa din. So, as is. Positive, positive yung 8, therefore positive 8 pa din. So, as is siya. Ang tinanggal lang natin is yung parentheses. Proceed. Ano po ba ang pinakamataas na degree? Ito si 4x cubed at saka si x cubed. Therefore, ibig sabihin, we can combine them. Sila yung pinakauna na ilagay natin dito na na-combine. Combine 4x cubed plus x cubed. That would give you 5x cubed. If we are going to add the same terms, just copy the variable with degree and then add the particular numerical coefficient. So, possible, automatically rather, kapag x lang dyan, automatically may 1 yan siya. Pero invisible yung 1 dyan. Therefore, magiging 4 plus 1 dito, that would give us 5x cubed. O, 5 na siya. Kasi kopyahin lang natin yung variable with degree. Now, do we have another terms na may x? Wala na po. Kung i-assess natin, wala na. Therefore, bring down minus 2x. And then, we have here yung positive 9 at saka si positive 8 na lang yung iwan. Can we combine them? Positive 9 plus 8? The answer is yes, because pareho sila constant, walang variable. So 9 plus 80, 8 rather, that would give you plus 17. Alright, so you have here your final answer for this one. So meron kang 5x cubed minus 2x plus 17. So, we have to proceed next to our, okay, wait for a minute. Subtracting or subtraction. What if we're going to subtract these two functions here? So, dito na tayo sa letter B. Okay, letter B na tayo. This. F minus G of X. Ibig sabihin that F minus G of X is equal to F of X minus G of X. Then, we have to substitute the value of F of X. Ito, 4x cubed. Do not forget the open and close parentheses later. 2x plus 9, close parentheses, bring down minus. Then, the function of g of x, we have here x cubed plus 8. And, of course, the next step is to remove the parentheses. Since wala po tayong ma-multiply dito kasi walang number, you have to directly bring down 4x cubed minus 2x plus 9. Here, you need to distribute the negative or the minus. Negative times positive x cubed, that would give you negative x cubed. Negative times positive, ito, that would give you negative. Then, bring down 8. Then, now, we don't have the parentheses anymore. Then, we have to combine like terms. Okay? First is, we need to take a look kung sino yung may same na terms. Si 4x cubed at saka si negative x cubed, the same. They have a variable of x with a degree of 3. Therefore, we can combine 4x cubed plus negative x cubed. So, ibig sabihin, kapag mag-a-add tayo ng same variable with different number, with different sign rather, you have to minus. So, 4 minus 1, kasi automatically may 1 yan dyan. 4 minus 1, that give you positive 3. Bakit positive 3? Kasi mas malaki si 4 and then the sign of 4 is positive. So, 3x cubed. So, 3x cubed. And then, bring down negative 2x kasi wala po tayong ma-combine kay negative 2x kasi wala pong ibang may 2x. Si negative 2x lang. So, next, last, yung constant natin. Yung positive 9 and negative 8. Add them. So, we have to add positive 9 minus 8. Positive 9 plus minus 8 yan siya. So, minus na yan siya. Automatically follow the biggest number sign, which is 9. Ang 9 is positive. So, 1 yung sagot. So, plus 1. Alright? So, the final answer is 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Alright, you get it. Again, what if dito na tayo sa number letter C. Letter C na tayo. What if hindi lang tayo mag-add, kundi yung after we add, we need to evaluate pa. Kasi after we add, may replacement value na binigay. So, ang mangyayari is, same manner for letter C. Una is, we have to define the sum. F of g plus f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. And then, substitute f of x with 4x cubed minus 2x plus 9. Then, open and close parentheses. Bring down plus. We have here the g of x, we have x cubed plus 8. X cubed plus 8. Since wala pong ma-change dyan na numero, remove lang natin yung parentheses. Bring down 4x squared cubed minus 2x plus 9 plus x cubed plus 8. And then, we have to combine like terms. Pareho po si 4x cubed and saka x cubed. Same positive sign, so that would give you 5x cubed. Minus, wala pong iba, si negative 2x lang, so negative 2x. Then, positive 9 and positive 8, that would be 17. Now, if we're going to evaluate na, if ang x is negative 3. So, that would mean, bring down 5, substitute x with negative 3, then cube. Then, we have negative 2 times negative 3 kasi yung x papalitan ng negative 3 plus 17. Next, perform the operation. Start muna tayo dito. Yung negative 3 cube. So, 5 times negative 3, tatlong beses daw ulitin. So, that means negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. So, negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Times 3 pa, negative 3 pa, that would give you negative 27. So, ito po yung ibig sabihin yan. Now, negative 27. Negative times negative, positive. 2 times 3, that is 6. So, negative 2 times negative 3, positive 6. Plus 17. Now, we have to multiply. What about 5 times 27? So, 5 times negative 27. So, automatically, negative na siya kasi yung isa negative, ang isa positive. So, 5 times 7, that would give you 35. 7 times 5, 35. Then, that would give you 135. So, negative 135. 5 times negative 7, negative 135, plus 6 plus 17, that would give you 23. So, add natin. Yung final answer is, si negative, tingnan nyo, negative 135 plus 23. So, kung titingnan ninyo, negative yung isa, ang ibig po sabihin yan is, you have to subtract. Kasi positive man ito sa 23, and then negative si 135. But, you have to copy the biggest number sign. So, si 135 ang mas malaki, tapos negative siya, therefore, yung sagot nyo is negative. Pero, 135 minus 23 would give you 112. So, negative 112 is your final answer for this. Alright? I hope na nakuha ninyo kung papaano kasi step by step na yan. Hindi ako nagbigay ng solution na naka-PowerPoint para maisa-isa ko maipakita sa inyo kung papaano ba mag-perform ng addition, pero at the same time, after you perform, you will evaluate. What about if you need to perform the subtraction but you have to evaluate also if meron na siyang replacement value? So, dito na tayo sa letter D. F minus G of 2 na siya. So, first is, we have to define the difference. F of G times X, of X rather. F minus G of X is equal to F of X minus G of X. Then, substitute 4x cubed, parentheses, huwag kalimutan, minus 2x plus 9, minus, open parentheses na naman, substitute ng G of X, that is x cubed plus 8. Then, of course, you have to remove the parentheses, bring down 4x cubed kasi walang numerical value dito na pwede nating i-multiply. Then, minus 2x plus 9. Dito, ma-change po ito kasi we have to multiply negative times positive, negative x cubed. Negative times positive, therefore negative 8. Then, combine like terms. The same po si 4x cubed at saka si negative x cubed. So, 4 minus 1, kasi 1 po yan, automatically may 1 dyan. Therefore, 3x cubed na lang. Bring down negative 2x kasi wala pong ibang may x na term. Then, add plus 9 and negative 8. That would give you positive 1. Kasi mas malaki si 9 kaysa negative 8. Therefore, F minus G of 2 is equal to, sa-substitute natin lahat ng x ng 2. 3 times 2 cube minus 2 times 2 kasi x palitan ng 2 plus 1. Perform operations na tayo kasi meron na tayo na substitute na lahat, na replace na. Unahin muna natin si 2 cube. 3 times 2 cube, that means 2 times 2 times 2. 3 times. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Positive 8. Minus. Okay. Minus siya because negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. So, minus 4 pa din siya. Plus 1. Bring down lang. And then, we have here positive 3 times 8, that is 24. Minus 4 plus 1. Bring down lang. Next is, combine all the answers or the result. 24 minus 4, that is 20. Plus 1, 21. So the final answer is 21. This is your final answer. I hope na naintindihan ninyo. Now, it's your turn to answer this problem. Okay? Show all your solution and then send it to me through my email. Okay? Through my email, submit this one. Thank you for watching and I hope na naintindihan ninyo. Now, remember that you are tasked to proceed to answer the quiz number 3 if you're done watching this video presentation. Good luck for your quiz number 3.